Walking down on empty streets, all she can see are the dreams all made solid, are the dreams made real. All of the buildings, all of the cars were once just a dream in somebody's head. She pictures the broken glass, pictures the steam. She pictures a soul with no leak at the seams. Take the boat out, wait until darkness. Let's take the boat out, wait until darkness comes. Nowhere in the corridors of pale green and grey, nowhere in the suburbs in the cold light of day. There in the midst of it, so alive and alone, words support like bone, dreaming of Mercy Street, where you're inside out, dreaming of mercy in your daddy's arms again, dreaming of Mercy Street. Swear they move that side, dreaming of mercy in your daddy's arms. Pulling out the papers and drawers that slide smooth, tugging at the darkness, word upon word, confessing all those secret things in a warm velvet box. To the priest, he's the doctor, he can handle the shocks. Dreaming of the tenderness that tremble in the hips, of kissing Mary's lips, dreaming of Mercy Street, where you're inside out, dreaming of mercy in your daddy's arms again, dreaming of Mercy Street.
something new. See through your hair. You haunt my dreams. There's nothing to do but believe. Just believe. Just breathe.
Yo, çıkıyor burası ya bence. Burası dönüş artık.
Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Those days are over. You don't have to sell your body to the night. Roxanne, you don't have to wear that dress tonight. Walk the streets for money. You don't care if it's wrong or if it's right. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Roxanne,